Okay, this is video number 2. I'm going to be using FTP software in this video. I use Qt FTP. I'm going to log in to my rex5.com domain. I'll open up the public HTML directory. Then I'm going to look for our test3 folder where we had Fantastico create the blog for us in the last video. And what we need out of this folder right now is wp-config.php file. We're going to open that to edit, but we're not going to edit it directly here. We're just going to swipe some information and transfer it. I'll show you how in just a minute. Simple copy and paste routine. It's pretty easy. Now what we're looking for is the database name, the database user, and the database password. We're going to copy and paste those into a blank notepad. I like having notepad open when I'm doing operation like this. It comes in handy. Then there are also some security keys in this file that we need to pay attention to, but we're not going to copy and use these. Here's what we're going to do instead. We're going to go over to a location online that WordPress provides and generate some unique keys of our own. So we're going to copy that URL for the time being. We'll need it in just a minute. I'll show you. We're going to paste that into our working notepad. Drop that. Now we're going to copy that URL one more time. Going to open up a Google window, paste that URL into our browser, and click the go arrow. And you see we have some brand new lines of security code, security keys, generated for us on the spot. Turn them all blue. Make sure you get all the little characters. Don't leave any of them out. Copy it. And once again, we'll paste it into our working notepad. We'll get it and reuse it in just a minute. I'll stretch that out a little bit so that you can see it better. Okay, now we're going into the web hosting blog package we're going to use for this demonstration. Open it up, open up the upload subfolder, and you'll see we have another wp-config.php file here. This is the one that's going to create our blog. The other one Fantastico put online for us, but this is the one that matters. We're going to take the information we just copied from the other document and we're going to paste it into this one. The first thing is you see that this one has some security keys in it. It only has 3 lines. WordPress is now providing 8 lines. I'm pretty sure they know what they're doing, so I'm not going to question that. We're just going to copy and paste all of them that we got from that location. 8 lines of security keys. Make sure we get all of it, that we don't have any little trailers left at the end, that all of that code turns blue. Copy that, all 8 lines. Delete the 3 from the document and paste in the 8 lines and save. I like to save frequently when I'm doing this kind of work. I probably shouldn't have to explain that. Next, we're going to copy and paste in the database name. Once again, we open our working notepad file, copy the database name, drop that, paste it, make sure that we didn't delete any of the little quote marks. Do the same thing for the database username. Copy. Drop our working file. Paste it into our wp-config.php. Save again just for safety so we don't lose our work. You'll notice that the database name and the username are both the same. That's just what Fantastico does when it creates a blog for us. I don't agree, but that's the way it is. Next, we're going for the password. Now, this is not the same password that we put on the blog itself. This is for the database only. So we leave this exactly as it is. Paste it in the position. Save. Next, we have to make a couple of edits to change the site URL. We're putting this on my rex5.com domain. We're putting it in a subfolder titled test3. And one more time, rex5.com / folder name is test3. And we save. Now, this document is ready to upload into our existing blog.